an adventure!
We are on an adventure.
Bye, Tampa.
You know we're in the freaking RV manufacturer mall. We're getting it. Like, subscribe, show all your friends if you want to see which way we do end up going.
Do you like the snow cover?
It's not that bad, not like Cheyenne.
It's cold here. What are you talking about?
It's like negative degrees, but it's not like 32 degrees.
I think it's just colder in Cheyenne because of the wind. Although, last night I couldn't sleep because of the wind. It was so freaking windy. Oh. Yeah, once it's somebody else's problem, I don't have to worry about it for a while. Am I wrong, Houston? Yeah, I want it to be somebody else's problem. Are the jacks up, babe?
It looks like there's frozen right there. Not frozen in there.
Yeah, when it got frozen, we couldn't lift it up. Okay.
Like, where the heck's that rock star?
You want it? We got him a free rock star. Huh? Or we could get it when we open the slides and show him everything. Huh?
Yeah, we'll just get it and we'll show them everything.
If that's the least of my worries, if that's all we forgot.
Watches, phones.
You can't pull it off?
I think it's frozen.
Oh my god. It's not coming out.
Come on.
You're gonna break my fingers.
Well, I don't want to leave it on it.
You're gonna put it in. Oh, okay. Can you get that chalk out, Cody? This one.
They both came out.
Let's go.
Okay. Where are we going?
Well, right now we got to stop and put this key before they charge us 25 bucks.
We're going where?
The adventure.
We're going on an adventure? Say we're going on an adventure.
We are on an adventure.
Good job, Rue. Where are we going?
On an adventure.
Good job. Bye, Tampa.
I'm driving the camera.
Yeah, he's driving it. Bye, Tampa.
said, what company are you? I said, what? I said, this person.
What did he say?
Oh, okay.
Good? Want to drive by it? Of the park there?
Let's go. You know, we're in the freaking RV manufacturer mall.
So we didn't have an exhaust brake or a trailer brake.
We're currently driving past Brinkley. And we definitely know which way we want to go to the next time. Like, subscribe, show your friends if you want to see which way we do end up going, because we may have something in store for you.